like one little butt.
Batty boy.
Yo, the fact that now if Buzzhead's grandmother or sister or whoever would have been there, it would have been different. Because even though I didn't know Naya, CPR did his little thing, and I asked CPR to put me in touch with with Naya's mother and baby mother. If I go and send a bunch of money every time someone dies, then who's to say that people won't just go and start killing TikTokers? Because now they know, well, if I kill this person or if I set somebody up, such and such gonna send some money. So I want you to know that that's why you need to learn. People need to learn how to hush up. Because there's certain things that I wasn't going to say about you that now I'm going to say. Boy, you rubbed me the wrong way. And if you want to really know the truth, your whole story sounded like a made-up fiction. Okay? Your whole story, my nigga, was fiction. Talking about a nigga sent you to get a bag. The nigga, all of y'all be talking shit on the internet. So that means y'all, but like, how you know, like, you know what I'm saying? It's no way you let your friend get caught lacking like that. And then sit down in the man's house. Every time I'm scrolling past on the man's page. You think I didn't know your bum ass was looking for money, nigga? You think I didn't know that, bitch? If you would have taken your... Let me tell you something. I'm trying so hard to be nice right now. If you would have taken your ass the fuck home out the man's house, but the fact that all you was doing was looking like you was trying to get Buzzhead's followers, I've never seen nobody move like that when somebody they love pass. You was on that page so much, I thought you lived there. So to be honest, since you wanted me to talk, the truth is, I think you probably knew what was going to happen to Buzzhead that night. So every time I seen your face, something in my spirit told me to scroll, and that's what the fuck I did, nigga. Went and got haircuts and shit for the nigga birthday. What the fuck is you? Why you cut your dreads for his birthday? And that day he kept telling you he's trying to go do what he got to do, but it seemed like you was stalling. So maybe you knew something. So bitch, nigga, don't call my name, nigga. You wanted that sacrifice money yesterday though, right? Get the fuck out of here, clown.
I saw the little sweets boy, that little old deported batty boy. The depend people name. A sweets man that. Let me tell a man about all Nicki Minaj in that studio. With blam them I say somebody. Them be somebody non regular talk.